Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 82 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We take the cool, the weird, the funny, and the lies, and we put them here so you don't have to read all the questions. On today's episode, we are talking about the Bubbles package, maple syrup, gifting internet time, a secret unwritten rule, and celebration key updates. Alright, question one. These cruisers are cruising with their daughter in the cabin. They were wondering if they all need to buy the Bubbles package, or can they just get it for their daughter? Interesting. John said they can buy it for just their daughter. It's not like the Cheers package, where everybody 21 and above does have to buy the Cheers package if you are in a cabin. With the Bubbles package, nope, just whoever wants it. Question two. This cruiser wanted to bring 10 half-pint jugs of factory-sealed maple syrups on board the ship for their gift exchange. Can they bring these, or will they be confiscated? John said if it is completely sealed, they can bring it on board, but please put it in your carry-on bag. Side note on that, you might not want to take glass because sometimes the glass is not allowed, and if you have 10 glass bottles in your carry-on bag, you might have a big old leaky bag of delicious maple syrup, which would be a disappointment because I don't like maple syrup. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser, Adventures with Uncle Dave, I saw your question. We got your question. It's here. You know who you are. He asked if there's a way for someone to gift internet to a cruise member, or even if they are not on the ship. So that's pretty cool. John said no. He's afraid there's no way to do that and thought it was very kind of him to suggest it. He did share that the crew have complimentary use of WhatsApp, and if there was something they wanted to send to a crew member, they can do so by emailing it to their HQ in Miami with their name, position, and ship. So if you wanted to send them something physical, you most certainly can. We will post the address that you need to send it to in the description. I almost said comments. We might put it there too, just to make sure everybody sees it. All right, question four. This cruiser wanted to know if there is a secret unwritten rule that folks must learn how to repeatedly slam a door to make sure it shakes the entire floor of cabins. Obviously, they were joking, but I mean, if you've been on a cruise, you know it happens all the time. Whether it be a balcony door, whether it be, the cabin door, it just boom, and everything shakes. John said it's pretty easy to forget this, and he would hazard a guess that 50% of people actually feel bad when they walk in and the door slams. They're like, ah! Now, the other 50%, he said probably not so much. They just don't care. So, yeah, hold on to that handle and close it. It is so loud. So loud. Last question. In the latest announcement on a celebration key updates, they mentioned that a meal would be included. They wanted to know, will it be able to accommodate dietary restrictions, in particular gluten-free? John said yes, they will absolutely cover vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free options on Celebration Key. So if you have those restrictions or that's your lifestyle, you can get it on Celebration Key too. Pretty cool. That was episode 82 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.